Welcome to the After YouTube channel where I talk about using your smart TV and other electronic devices. I also talk about downloading applications to your smart TV with the Google Play Store. And in this particular video, I will show you how to download UEFA TV to your smart TV with the Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, your smart TV, you want to download UEFA TV to it with us Google Play Store. All you have to do first is connecting to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you're going to come over to this application called Downloader. Download is an intermediate application that I use to download any file from across the internet to my smart TV. It can be a file, it can be an application, it can be an APK. I can all use downloader to find it from the internet and get it to my smart TV. If you don't download your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there to get downloaded to your smart TV. So as you come over here, here's how the interface looks like. All you have to do is to type in the keyword UEFA TV app. As you type in the UEFA TV app, you can come over here and click on search or go. Now, browser is going to show you the various sources on the internet that might have a link for you to install the application. Now, I'm not going to say that all the sources are going to work because they also depend on your location and the version of your smart TV. So, depending on your version of your smart TV and where you're located, you might get where to download the application. So, what you have to do is just go through all of them and try them to see which one is going to work. Now, in most cases, the one that might really work a lot is the APK, or for instance, you can come to the APK or go straight away to their website and see if there is an option to download the application from their website. So here's what I would recommend. You can go to your website or you can search for the APK of the application, and either ways it might work for you. And if you come over to the website, here's how their website is going to look like. Here's how the website is going to look like, for instance. Just give it a moment, let it load. And once you're here, alright, see it looks like you're using an illegal, blah, blah, blah. No, yeah, no problem. Continue anyway. So if you come out to your website, you can see the first thing on the website is to download the application. So you just have to come out to this option here and click on view, and it leads you to where you can download the application to your smart TV. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this.